My name is Christine. I'm a registered nurse, and I came here to take this seminar because I'm very interested in aesthetics, holistic therapies, hormone replacement, peptides. Currently, I do work in home health, so I do want to make that transition over to aesthetics, and so this is perfect. I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I need to come here, make some connections, meet some people. And there's amazing people here. Like, everybody's so friendly, so nice. They want to give me, advice, and they want to listen to my story. So this is just awesome. And I found out about this through Google, actually. And because starting out as an RN, you really don't know what path you want to take. But, and I thought I wanted to do CRNA, but that changed. So, and of course, even though I'm in home health, I want to make that switch over to aesthetics. And I said, you know what? This is perfect because they go from beginner all the way to like past advanced. So this is just perfect. Perfect in every way, shape, and form, and it's affordable and it's geared towards everybody. Hello, my name is Christine Burkhart. I'm a registered nurse, and I welcome you to join Empire Medical Training.